Hello everybody, happy Saturday. I hope your Saturday is going well. Ours is going fantastic. We stopped at Grimsby Hollow Meadery, my absolute favorite mead, my absolute favorite meadery, run by amazing people. We got so many varieties. So I'm going to start this unboxing video, which I know has a relevant antique that just came in for the Swordsmanship Museum and Academy collection. So I thought I'd start this off with a brand new flavor. Hasn't even gone public. That you can get it from their tasting room, but you can't get it anywhere else. No stores. That is this brand new one. I've never had it. It's called Destruction. Let's see here. Apparently that's a possible temporary name, but it's brand new. Blood orange honey wine infused with ancho, chipotle, and habanero peppers. Whoa. So I am so excited to give this a shot. Pop. Smells good. I love the Grimsby Hollow Meadery. The meads that they sell have a smell to them. If you guys have never had good mead, and I'm talking about good, not like the Camelot brand that you can get from Meyer, you know, but like, try it. Go to Grimsby Hollow. I can't tell you how much their meads are amazing. So, check it out. Got a little Grimsby Hollow cup. I'm going to try this one. Oh, that's real good. It's sweet, but it has that like tingle of when you get spicy food. Ooh, oh, I like that. Delicious. Oh my God, that's awesome. Got a few more flavors I haven't tasted yet. One I'm going to try later today. We're playing Dark Souls, by the way. First time I've ever played Dark Souls. For the record, everyone who ever said, "Hey Jerry, you'd like Dark Souls because they have historical weaponry and they use them appropriately in there." Thank you for thinking of me. I'm having fun with the game. I love it. We loved Sekiro when we played Sekiro, and this is clearly of the same family, but came out beforehand. But I'm having fun with it so far. We're probably going to play it a little bit farther later today. I forgot where I was going with this, but let's get to some unboxing, okay? I want to unbox this one here, which is, I'm very excited for. This one came from England. I love that you can tell international packaging because they always have this like 1980s style wrapping tape around it. I don't know if that's just Europe or if the international shipping people do that. I have no idea. This one, relevant to alcohol, if it's what I think it is, because I think I only ordered one paper product from overseas. So this is what it should be. I won't give it away. Let's just see if we can find out what it is. So, open her up. I hope. It's literally covered in tape. I have no idea. I have no idea how to safely undo this. Please don't hurt anything in there. Has anyone ever heard of mummers? Because that is what I believe this is. An original print of a long dead and sadly dead tradition called mumming, in which people around the holidays, it's kind of like caroling, but being drunk and a clown and in a costume. And it's awesome. I was a mummer at Greenfield Village, Living History Village, out here in Dearborn, Michigan when I was in college for their holiday event. Oh my gosh, it was so cool. So I've always had a passion for the tradition of mumming, and recently I introduced it to Natalie, and we were so enamored with it, I was like, you know what, we got to get an artifact on it. So let us see if this is what I think it is. It's not! It's not! This is not what I thought it was. Oh my gosh, that's funny. This is a... Jesus. I can't believe. Let me see what this other paper in here is. I think it might just be a packing slip. Yeah. Never mind. This is not what I was talking about. This is a 1880s print of a guy named Henry. See, Henry. From Vanity Fair. I don't know if it's a reprint. It doesn't look like a reprint, but it also doesn't look like an original from Vanity Fair. Who knows? Very cool. Got this from an auction, and it shows what I assume is either a fencer or a fencing instructor. In any case, I am hoping to add this. You guys may have seen it in photos before. I have a working exhibit in progress of a fencing master from the late 1800s with it's a mannequin that has all the fencing equipment. It's got the sword, it's got the mask, it's got a plastron. It does not have a little red heart for the plastron, a felt heart, and it also does not have a fencing jacket like the one this guy's wearing. So those are things I'm looking to add to it. I do have a relevant one. Speaking of the hearts, I have it right up here. Let me grab it real quick. 2 seconds. See, I wonder if I showed this to you guys or not. I'm not sure, but this is a Valentine's Day card that I got. And this is actually an actual felt heart right here. And it says, "You know how my heart felt over you, my Valentine." So it's a felt heart, and so it's a wordplay. You get it? Get it? But anyway, I think it's something like this, an actual felt heart that would have gone on the fencing plastron of the fencing master. So anyway, I'm excited to get that because that adds something to an exhibit that's a work in progress. That wasn't what I was expecting to add, but it did. By the way, the last video I had 9 packages, opened 5, leaving 4. Since then, which was like 2 days ago, I got 4 more, so that was one of 8 packages. I will not be unboxing all 8. I'll be unboxing 4, so we opened 1. We're going to do 3 more. Got a few generic ones. I'm 100% certain this is a book, but I'm excited about books. It might not be an antique book. I'm not really certain. I don't think I bought antique books recently, but nonetheless, getting new information for me is just as fun as getting an antique. And you know what this is? This is a reprint of The American Angler's Guide or Complete Fisher's Manual for the United States, published 1857. So if I ever want, oh, look at this. Look at these beautiful, beautiful images on the corners of the pages. I've been reading this on Google Books, and it's been such a pain to try to read it like on my phone or to not get distracted on my PC. So I just bought the print of it. I'm excited to actually read this and get some in-depth stuff, especially because I'll be teaching a class in April, I think, on vintage fishing with cane poles and hand lines. So I think this would be very appropriate. I'm very excited to dive into this one. I have another book that I know came in this one, so that means I'll save this one for next video. Let's open this old one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. This one we've had since last video, so I'm going to open this big boy up. No idea what this is. Let's find out. Oh my god, I hate packages. This is a heavy thing. What did I... Oh, dudes. Speaking of my class, holy cow. I bought these. I had no idea they were this big. I literally thought they were this big. Oh my god, I got this for my class for the hand lines because I was like, okay, I'll just get some vintage hand lines that are cheap and just let my students use them, you know? That's fine. So I thought. So these are not that. These are not what I expected. These are humongous. Look at this. And they've got multiple attachments. I really should look at, and it's plywood, so it's not that old, but this is like commercial fishing grade hand lines. Like, I have no idea if or how or if I would even be able to use this for my class. This is like, it's not even vintage. I mean, it's vintage. It's like maybe it's got plastic on it, so like 80s maybe? Maybe 70s? The little swivels are really cool looking. I have literally no provenance on. Oh, I could use this. These hand lines are good. They're big. Maybe we'll be aiming for catching a trout. Oh, and they've got fish hooks attached to them too. Sick. Okay, I'm okay with that. The other one, these two down here, these big boys, did not have fish hooked on them, but this one did. You can see them right on the bottom there attached into the wood. And this is a solid piece of wood rather than these two, which are plywood. So it's probably a different set or something. These ones are definitely hand lines, not commercial lines. Or if they are commercial lines, they're for one fish at a time. Cool. Good find. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with these. Maybe bring them for display? I have no idea. I don't even think it's legal to fish in Michigan with this. I'll have to look. This one's fine. This is just multiple. I don't even know. Anyway, cool get. I just, maybe decoration. I'll have to do research on it. I don't know. That was 3 packages. We got 1 more package. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did we do this? Did we have 1 extra package? Maybe only opened 4 last time? Who knows? We're saving that for next time. That's a cool one. We're going to open a paper. Oh, this looks, I don't know what this is either. This is cool though. Leave that there. These are teeny. We're going to open this one. And then we will, next video, we'll have these 2 packages, this little package, which I'm sure is a postcard, and this, which I know what this is, and I'm excited to show it with you guys. It's the first one in my collection I've ever had. But that'll be for next video. We'll save those for next video. Little guy for next video. This mystery one, coming from Massachusetts. I assume MA is Massachusetts. I'm not the best on all 50 state abbreviations. But Maryland? Could be Maryland. I don't know. Could be Missouri. No, Missouri doesn't have an A. So glad I didn't mess that up. Yeah, okay, good. Whew. So let us see what's in this guy. I'm sure it's a postcard. I ordered a bunch of postcards recently, just for the photographs of them, but this could be a few other things too. I was really hoping it was going to be that Mummer thing. Don't worry, that's another antique inbound that you guys can look forward to. Oh, I forgot I got this. Oh, I'm so happy about this. This is very cool, and I'll tell you why. Let me get this stuff off of me, and I'll hold it up for the camera. Very cool. Now, the person I bought this from said that it was roughly 1890s. I don't believe it's 1890s. It's probably... Man, how do I angle this so there's no light glare? This is probably 1910s, but I haven't done enough close-up. The image that they had was pretty fuzzy. But a couple things that you can notice about it. This is for the fishing museum. Got right here, fishing rods and reels. Very cool. There's a guy smoking a pipe. He's sitting on a chair. But in my opinion, and something that's relevant to me, those of you guys might know, I'm not gonna decork the bottles in the background yet. Maybe I'll save it for another unboxing tomorrow. Who knows? In any case, you guys might know I run a living history group or a historical interpretation group called Corvus Cohort, where we do encampments. And one thing that I wanted to do is how can we incorporate that maybe into the fishing museum, the history of fishing aspect. Well, we got to find out what a historical fishing camp might have looked like. And voila, right here. And we actually have in our collection, tents that look just like that. And it's so cool because look at this, natural wood on the pole here, and also a lantern up there. Oh, I love this. I love it. What I hope to do, obviously the colors have faded pretty significantly. I would love to scan this and then add some contrast to it so we can see exactly what these guys wanted it to look like. Man, that's so cool. And I'm sure there's details. I mean, they've got belts and stuff on the belt, and I'm not sure what it is. The guy's got some sort of like arm guard or something keeping his sleeves out of the way. And man, that pipe is just sick looking. So that might not even be a lantern up there on the post. It might be something else, but we will see. I am so excited about this one. I really am. And also, it's a photograph, an old photograph. It's very rare. I've got a few like 1930s photographs up there. This one's definitely older than the 1930s. But I'm really excited about it. So that's what I got for you guys. Keep in mind, where'd that cat go? Stay away from the fish hooks. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hopefully you'll stick around for next time I do an unboxing, which will probably be tomorrow sometime. I'm going to finish off one of those meads. Have myself a great time playing Dark Souls. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. And keep up the good work. You guys are all doing great. Whatever it is that you guys are hoping to achieve, you're doing fantastic at it. Keep it up. Take care. Peace out.